Hello, I have here with me a toothpaste, and you can tell by the way it is and just the cap coming off because all that adds up. It's just there. But this is the Colgate, I don't really know how to say it, Colgate. Yeah, I think that's how you say it, Colgate. Yeah, Optic White Stain Fighter. Now, aside from it being an Optic White, I don't know if there's like just a regular Optic White one, but I know this one says Stain Fighter on it. Usually we get the all white one, but this one is still a Stain Fighter, but this is fresh mint gel, so it has that blue like in between the wall. Or I think this one's just straight up blue, yeah. So this is a toothpaste that I use and love. It's my all-time favorite. Of course, it's gonna be a little more than just your regular one, but it's just super affordable for what it does. Not only is it like to help whiten up your teeth, but also it's stain fight. So, you know, let's just say your teeth are not in the best color that you would like it to be. At least it like definitely fights against your stains. You know, it does reverse and like make them a bit whiter. In my opinion, it has whitened my teeth, but not only that, what I love the most is the fact that it definitely fights. So I'm able to have my iced coffee, my soda here and there, and I don't have to worry about stain, because that's one of the things I worry about, and I feel like just so good with this. So if you're like a heavy coffee soda drinker, I super recommend this. Especially if you're worried about your teeth, just because such a good thing with stain fighting. It's a super affordable. This one's the 4.2 ounce one, and I think they have like one more that's like a little bit smaller, I want to say. I'm not sure. I feel like this is the only one they have, but it does come in twos. So even when you get the one in twos, like this in this size in twos, it's still super affordable. It's super easy to find. Like I said, that if you're not really a man of the whole gel like technology and stuff like that, because I know some people like to be just the regular white, they have also a regular white one and this like Stain Fighter Optic White Colgate brand. So that's a good thing. That's the one I usually use. I just got this one to see how it was, and I feel like the difference between the white one is just simply I feel like the mint lasts longer on this one, and it's a little bit stronger, which I do like because it's not super like bad strong, you know, like where it's annoying almost. But I just like this one better because I feel like the mint lasts more than the one that's not gel, just the regular one. I know I'm comparing to something that's the same, but it's just something I should put out there that they do have the white one, and although this one's my favorite, if you don't mind it being a little less and you just like to stick to a regular white one, it's still super good. In fact, that's the one I mostly use. Yeah, so right here it tells you how it's new stain removal technology. It removes 6 times more the surface stains with micro polishing action, which I can definitely go for because trust me, it's done it. And not, like I said, if you think it's quote unquote too late, you know, you're not happy with the color and you just don't want to spend that money on all that dental work, then this is your to go to toothpaste. And even if you're not really struggling with that, and let's say you already have raw teeth, definitely use it, because like I said, the stain fighting is such a good thing. It has done me wonders, especially when I have coffee or soda. Of course, you don't want to brush your teeth like right after, you know, you still like just the taste, but do it like a bit after, you know, 30 minutes or so after. That's what I usually do. I don't do it right away because I feel like it's not really doing much, because it's just there and like the taste is just so gross. I would wait at least 30 minutes until let's say I'm not comfortable drinking coffee just because I feel like it's gonna stain my teeth. Then I definitely would wait a bit and then do this, and you don't have to worry about it. Like I said, if that's what you're worried about not drinking something because of stains, this will help fight it, in my opinion. And it's super good. I recommend this so much. Even I don't really think it says anything about, so if like it's kids younger, it does say that, you know, just kind of have someone to watch it, just like any other toothpaste. Just make sure that an adult is there to watch, so you know they don't swallow it or I don't know, do something else with it, make a mess or anything like that. It comes in super good packaging too. It's like your regular like toothpaste thingy. It's just super squished because I literally had it rolled up to use as much as I could. Super easy. And it has the plastic. I like this container because it's not just a cap. I feel like the cap actually, I know mine's dirty, but I feel like the little tiny cap is dirtier, so I definitely appreciate this because I feel like it's easier to use versus like having to put that on, especially if you're doing other things, you know. The cap is super flexible, like you just need one finger and like that's it. And aside from it being flexible, I feel like I know mine's dirty right now, but I feel like it is easier to clean. Just quickly go like that in water and it'll all be clean. And even if it is dirty, you don't have to worry about that. Just especially for the kids, you don't have to worry about the cap not failing or them leaving it like that, because they will like just snap it back on. And for kids, I definitely still recommend it because of course you want them to, you know, have healthy teeth, look good and whatnot. So there's nothing wrong with kids using it. Definitely just make sure with your dentist if you are having any worries, but it explains everything back here. They are able to use it. I made sure to check. Yeah, like the packaging, you guys can see it's a little more than your usual toothpaste, but it's not that pricey. It's super affordable, and I love what it does for me, and I definitely recommend this, especially if, like I said, you're struggling or don't want to spend all that money. This is something you can go to. Also, you don't really have to get those tiny ones. Like, I know, like, for example, like, I haven't seen one of these tiny, like, you just see these regular tiny ones. So if you're worried about that, I would just honestly take this with you. It's super, like, bendable, and like I said, it's not the screw thingy cap, so you don't have to worry about it coming off or something. It's just snappy. So as long as it's, like, you know, you're not pulling on it, which I doubt you will in your luggage, then you can definitely travel with this. You know, recommend it. I absolutely love it, and I love what it's done for me. Thank you for watching.